So students, we are continuing the topic auto format features. So the auto format feature is another important feature of MS Word. MS Word generally automatically, MS Word 2010 automatically formats a document as soon as you type the text. For example, suppose I have typed the 3 dash over here, and after typing the 3 dash I press the enter key. As soon as I press the enter key, the 3 dash get converted into a single line. So this is how the auto formatting feature works. So now there are many different auto formatting features that are already been set. So we just have to write the text and then press the enter key or space. It will automatically get converted. Like suppose I have written a fraction with 1 by 2. Like I have written a fraction with 1 by 2, and after writing the fraction with 1 by 2, as soon as I press the space bar, it will get converted into such type 1 by 2 into a small way. So this is the auto format features. So in this way we can auto format our text. These are inbuilt text. We can also create our own auto format text according to our needs. So how can we do? How can we create our own auto format? For this, first of all, move to the File tab. First of all, move to the File tab. Like I am showing you the options in the book only. So this is the figure of 10.53 of using the auto format feature. First of all, move to the File tab. From the File tab, move to the Info group, and from the Info group, click on the Proofing. As soon as you click on Proofing, a window of this type will appear before you. So where you have autocorrect option. As soon as you click on autocorrect option, a window of autocorrect will appear before you. So here there are different auto format options that are already been checked. Checked means they are already applied. If you want to remove them, just left click over it and it will get unchecked. So in this way you can apply them to your document, or you can uncheck them. So you can add your own auto format by moving to the option auto format as you type. So as soon as you click on auto format as you type, a window will appear where you can add your own auto format options, and after adding them, click on the OK button that you have over here. So these auto format options will be applied to your document. So there are different auto format options like straight quotes with smart quotes, fraction 1 by 2 with fraction character 1 by 2, bold and italic with real formatting. So there are different auto format options that are already checked or that are already available for us to be applied in our document. So now here the auto format topics get over. So we are going to start a new topic, reviewing a document. Reviewing a document. So what we have learned till now is auto format features, how to apply the auto format features, how we can create our own auto format options, etc., and what are the different auto format options that are already available to us. So before moving to the reviewing a document, we have discussed this topic, auto format features. So we will be discussing this topic in our later videos. Thank you.